Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to go through an interesting little thing in VA Smalltalk. That is how easy it is to grab some process that you want to examine or interrupt or debug, even if you don't really have a handle on it. Now what I'm doing is creating a little process here that'll just drop stuff to the transcript. Now I am going to hold a handle to it so that I can show you what happens. So let's go ahead and do it on that. And so you can see it's running. We're dumping stuff to the transcript. Not terribly exciting, but the interesting thing is we can go to the Tools menu, and down here towards the bottom we can hit Open Debugger. And if you go to the Processes menu, notice there's a Debug Other. That means that we can grab some arbitrary process that's running in the Smalltalk space and hit Debug Other. And you can see in the list here which ones are available. We're going to pick this suspended one, and we'll hit OK. And this looks likely, so what we'll do is go to Processes, and we'll hit Terminate. Now, the interesting thing is, a couple of times when I did this, when I was just messing around with this before I did the screencast, I picked the wrong one. To be sure, what I can do is come over here, look at my process, because I saved that variable, inspect it, and you notice it's dead. So I was able to grab that process, kill it, and then I can look in the inspector and see. Now, of course, the more useful piece of this is if it's code you recognize instead of just an arbitrary loose block sitting in a workspace, and it's gotten into some kind of runaway state, and you want to be able to examine it. It's easy enough just to open up the debugger and go ahead and go to the Processes menu, Debug Other, find your process, and then do whatever is appropriate. Debug it, maybe kill it, whatever you need to do. But the nice thing is you can grab arbitrary processes from the debugger, which is a really nice feature. It's something that I really wish other Smalltalks had, and it's kind of a cool thing. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.